So guys, in this video I'm going to do unboxing of this multimedia keyboard which is made by the JD Pro. Okay, so this is the ISO 9001 2000 certified keyboard. So it have one of the portable and very nice USB keyboard. So this is the KB30M JD Pro USB keyboard. Okay, so today I'm going to unboxing this multimedia keyboard. So it have different kind of specification. For example, it have the USB interface, and it have total 107 plus 8 hotkeys. Okay, so it have the power consumption only 5 volt DC. Okay, and it have the 1 million keystrokes live. It is amazing, right? So and the cable length of the USB is 1.2 meters, and the dimension is the 452 into 160 into 24 okay, so without this time it means. Okay, and the weight is only 405 gram. So it is one of the amazing multimedia keyboard. So today I'm going to unboxing this one. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are watching this video first time, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. So without any late, let's move on to unboxing this multimedia keyboard. So guys, this is one of the amazing type of the keyboard. So this is a multimedia keyboard which is KB13M, and this is also made by the JD Pro. Okay, so this is the USB keyboard. So today I'm going to unboxing this one. Okay, so first of all I'm going to open this one from here. I'm opening this one. So this is the cover or packaging of this keyboard. Okay, so it is inside this plastic, so I need to throw this one. Okay, so this is the another keyboard. So in this side there is the few sounds options. In this side there is a calculator options, and there are lots of things. And this is the here is the Nepali keyboard also. Okay, it means if you are typing in Nepali, then in that case it will be very useful. Okay, so hoping that you get few ideas about this portable and very nice keyboard. Okay, so that's it. Hoping that you get few ideas about this multimedia keyboard. So if you want to more this kind of unboxing videos on my YouTube channel, let me know in the comment section. If you have any kind of queries, or if you have any kind of suggestion also, you can ask me in the comment sections. So I'll come back with another new video. Until that, goodbye, see you again.